Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to design a business card in VistaCreate. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to design a business card in VistaCreate, all you got to do is simply go in your VistaCreate app or website. So once you're in your VistaCreate, you need to simply get logged in into your account. Once you have done this, simply tap on the create option and then select business cards. So once you've selected business cards, you can simply select a format according to your choice. You need to select a template from the extensive library, which can be filtered by style, color, or industry. Now you can customize your design according to your business venture, like changing colors, adding brand kit, replacing the text, and uploading your logo. After this, you can simply set it up for printing and download your print-ready file. So by doing this, you can simply create your visiting card by the help of VistaCreate. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.